Sushmita from Missing Shoes and welcome to the first official beauty video of 2019. So 2019 started a month too late for me, but here I am making videos for you guys again. So today's video is going to be the ultimate favorites video where I'm going to be talking about all of those products that made 2018 a better year for me. They made sure that my hair, makeup and skin game was on point. They really stood by me and were there for me when nobody else was. I know I'm being a little too dramatic, but I'm very passionate about makeup and beauty. And yeah, these products have been a life changer and I've loved them throughout 2018. So my favorites video is something that I've been doing for almost 2 years now and you guys love watching it. So I decided to do the ultimate 2018 favorites video where I talk about the ultimate, the best of the best products that I've tried and have worked amazingly for me. So yes, before we jump into the video, if you like my work, if you like my videos, then please hit the subscribe button down below and also hit the bell icon right next to it so that you actually get notified every single time I upload a video. And now let's jump into this. Okay, so I'm gonna start by talking about skincare because I take my skincare really seriously, and although my skin is not the best right now, I still try my best to give it the food and the love that it needs. So starting out by the favorite product of 2018, no doubt, it's the Sugar Plum Soap Neem and Turmeric Acne Serum. I have spoken about this a bajillion number of times. You guys know how much I love this. If you are somebody who has acne prone skin, you have to get this because this will change your skin. Whenever I have an acne, I just apply this and sleep and I wake up and the acne is gone down by 30-40%, and in 3 to 4 nights it's completely gone. This is like magic in a bottle. That's the best way I can explain this because it works magically. It's completely natural and handmade, so it's really safe to be used by people with sensitive skin who have really troubled skin and you just want something to calm your skin down and make your skin acne free. You need this in your life. Okay, the next skincare product, which is definitely my most used product of 2018, is the Garnier Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water. Now this has 2 variants, but this is the one that I have been using and I've been loving to bits. So you guys know I wear makeup pretty much every single day. If nothing, I have a lip color on and I make sure that I remove it with the makeup remover because that's the kind of care you need to take for your skin. So yeah, this removes every bit of makeup from my skin. It does not burn my eyes. It's great for sensitive skin also. It's non-comedogenic, so it won't clog your pores, and yeah, it just removes every bit of makeup with such ease and I love using this. Very easy to use also. Just shake the bottle, pour some on a cotton pad and swipe your makeup away. So yes, totally recommend this to you guys and it's been a life changer when it comes to my makeup removal. My next skincare favorite is definitely not going to be surprising for my regular followers. It's the Plum Green Tea Alcohol Free Toner. I don't even remember how many bottles of this I've downed. There is no toner like this. I've tried so many, guys. I just keep coming back to this because I love this. For sensitive, acne prone, combination, oily, all kinds of skin, this works amazingly. This will really make your skin look a lot younger, healthier, tighter, and yeah, I just love how my skin looks and feels after this. I've made so many people buy this and everybody comes back to me with an amazing review because they have also never tried a toner like this. So yeah, an amazing toner, a great everyday use product which actually shows results on your skin and totally worth the buy, like totally. My last skincare favorite from 2018, but definitely not the least, is the Sugar Plum Soap Aloe and Cucumber Face Gel. So I've again spoken about this a million number of times. If you are somebody who has oily skin and who is struggling to find that moisturizer for you because every moisturizer turns like oil on your face, you need this in your life because this just disappears into your skin. It will melt in and it will give your skin such a nice cooling sensation. Like the moment you apply this, it's like you've given your skin a spa. Like you don't even have to do anything more than that because it makes it look and feel so hydrated, so moisturized and healthy. Like it really makes your skin look healthy. You use it repeatedly. After 15 days, you're definitely going to see a major difference in your skin. If you're somebody who has dry skin, this will not do the job for you because it's not very heavy in moisturization, not as heavy as dry skin people would need. But for somebody with combination and oily skin, this is going to be the best moisturizer you try. Trust me guys, try this. You will definitely not regret it. Okay, moving on to some hair hair care favorites now. So you guys seem to love my hair a lot more than I did. I honestly didn't even like my hair. You guys actually made me like my own hair, so thank you so much for that. I just wish my hair had a little more volume and didn't have the irritating scalp that it does. But otherwise, yeah, my hair is pretty much in shape all the time, and there are 3 products that have really helped it keep that way. So the first product, which I think every girl must own in her vanity, is the Pantene oil replacement. Oil in cream or whatever this is. This is like the best thing on earth for especially someone who has frizzy hair, dry hair, dull hair that looks lifeless and dead and looks pretty much like a broomstick. You need this in your life. You just need a pea-sized amount of this, and this will make your hair look healthier, shinier. It actually adds a lot of strength to your hair. Your hair looks amazing after using this. You can use this every single day and it will give just goodness and strength to your hair. So how I like to use this is that I wash my hair and I follow it up with a dollop size amount of this. I generously apply this onto my damp hair and I leave my hair to air dry. If I have to head out, then I dry it with a hair dryer, otherwise just air drying my hair. And then whenever I feel like I don't have time to wash my hair looks really dry, I just take a pea size amount of this and apply it to my ends, and if needed I apply it to the crown area. Usually my hair gets oily on the top and dry at the bottom, so I generally have to apply this just to the ends, and I actually have noticed so much difference in my hair. I don't need to apply this as often as I needed to earlier. So I think this product is making more like a long-term effect on my hair, like how oiling your hair does. I still do oil my hair twice a week, but yeah, using this has really made my hair look so much more presentable. And yeah, I never have to worry about my hair because I have this with me. So yeah, a must have for every girl out there, and you are gonna thank me after you use this because this is amazing. Okay, now moving on to my shampoo and conditioner. So I have been using the System Professionals Keratin Protect shampoo and Balance Mask conditioner. This is like a hair mask, and this has totally changed the way I look at shampoo and conditioner, especially shampoo, because earlier I thought a shampoo's basic job was just to wash your hair and remove all the grease and just keep it dirt free and not dry. But the way this shampoo has changed my hair, I actually started believing in shampoos again, and now I know the true strength of a shampoo, because this is a Keratin Protect shampoo, but it's also for treated hair, a person who's colored her hair a lot or straightened or smoothed or whatever. You need a shampoo like this to really protect your hair because you have done damage to your hair. So the way this makes my hair look and feel after I use this, it's just insane. It is so good. I don't even have to follow it up with a conditioner at times, guys. Like I still do, but yeah, I've used this solo and this makes my hair look so good. Of course, it removes all the dirt and impurities and the grease and whatever irritation my scalp has. It gets rid of all of that and it makes my hair look really healthy and shiny. And this conditioner, guys, this is a Balance Mask conditioner, so it's basically again for hair that's been treated or that's damaged, and which exactly my hair is. So this makes my hair look so soft, so freaking soft. It looks like I've just had a spa, and my hair stays that way, guys. Like it does start to feel and look a little dry towards the end, so I need the Pantene oil replacement. But yeah, still this conditioner does such a great job. Like the only downside of this is the price point. It's a little bit too expensive, but yeah, this is such a great combination for me. If you're looking to buy this, please do so because it will really transform your hair. What they do is that they test your hair according to the scalp you have and the hair you have. They will suggest you a shampoo and conditioner that your hair needs. So this is available at most Tonian guys in Chennai. So yeah, please do check it out, guys. It's brilliant. Finally, coming to my makeup favorites from 2018, and the first favorite is again a no surprise for people who've been following me. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in the shade 108. Okay, so right now the time is 7:15 in the evening. I put on my makeup at around 8:30 in the morning. So it's been 11 hours since I've had my makeup on, and after coming home, the only thing I touched up is my highlighter and my contour. I did not even touch up my smile lines, guys. I've had this foundation on literally for 11 hours and this is my face. Like, this is my face. So you can judge that how long wearing this is. And I just love this for my skin, because for oily or combination skin girls out there, I know how difficult it is when you apply foundation, because anything and everything turns into oil onto your face and you look like a cakey mess and you have to powder yourself a lot and then you land up looking too powdery. So yeah, this is one of those foundations that you don't have to set it. I didn't set it anywhere. I just set my concealer, guys. I didn't even set my face, and see how amazing my face still looks. So yeah, this foundation is brilliant. Total game changer for my skin. I've downed 2 tubes in 6 months. So you guys know how much I love this and how much I've been using this. This tube is almost over. Like, I had to really struggle to get out some foundation. So I'm definitely gonna go buy this tomorrow. And yeah, love this to bits. Anybody with oily, combination, problematic skin, go for this. Just blindly go for this. Next makeup favorite is also another base makeup product which has really made my life a lot easier. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. This is in the shade Medium Tawny. So this is not too light for my skin. This is just a tad bit lighter to my skin tone, which is how I like my concealer being, because I don't like highlighting way too much. And on days when I really want to highlight, I do have my baking powder or my highlight powder to do that. So yeah, this concealer is very user friendly. That's why I love it. A lot of times there are concealers that you can use on your under eyes, but when you try spot concealing with them, it does not really work. Or when you try doing cut creases or carving out your brows or doing those hacks with your concealers, it does not really perform well on different parts of your face. But this concealer, you can do any kind of hack. You can use it in whatever way you want, and this will look amazing onto your skin. Super easy to blend, very lightweight, does not crease, does not budge. Again, very long wearing. I didn't touch up my under eyes also. This is how my makeup has been literally all day. So you guys know how good this concealer is. And again, it's very pocket friendly. It's about 550 bucks, which I think is really affordable. It again goes on for a really long time. The applicator is amazing. It's a doe foot applicator, very easy to use. And yeah, overall an amazing product, totally worth your money. So if you want a good concealer, I would totally recommend you guys checking this out, because this is a great product to go for. My third makeup product, which is my favorite part about makeup, you guys know it's a highlighter. And the highlighter that I've used the most through 2018 and has been my lover for a very long time is the Pack Baked highlighter. This is in the shade 04. Look at this gorgeous dome of goodness. It is so good. Again, it's a highlighter that I have on my cheeks right now, and I've just applied a really light layer. Wait, let me just build this up and show it to you guys, the magic this does. Like, look at that. I just did like 2-3 swipes and it's gone. And wait, I have to balance it out, so I'm gonna glow my other cheek. But guys, this is like it excites me so much. You guys know I love my highlighter and I love glowing to the gods, and with this you can do both a subtle inner glow goddess kind of a look, or you can blind them makeup haters. So yeah, an amazing highlighter. This is one of those highlighters which will look great even on the deepest of the deepest skin tone or the fairest of the fairest ones out there. So yeah, brilliant formula, lasts all day, looks amazing, and a total must buy in my opinion. My last makeup favorite and my last favorite for 2018 is a lip color which I've used the most throughout 2018. So I keep switching over my lip colors. I keep using different ones depending upon my mood, how my lips are feeling, what look I'm going for, etc. But this lip color is something that I've gone back to the most and reached out to the most throughout 2018. Is the Sugar Cosmetics It's a Pout Time Vivid Lipstick in the shade Breaking Bad. A very nice formula, very matte, creamy, soft on the lips, and this shade is something that is like a perfect everyday pink color for me. I like my pink being a little brighter. I don't like that natural lip color too much. I like it showing a little, because I use a lip color to add some life to my face, and this adds all the life that I need. And yeah, it's just a very nice comfortable lip color, like no hassle, stays for a good amount of time, does not transfer too much, and yeah, it's just a really nice comfortable formula, really nice lip color, and that's why I've been using this all throughout 2018. Sugar's lip colors are amazing, especially this one, and their crayon range is really nice. So yeah, if you're looking out for good lip colors, do check them out. However, I'm going to talk about the best lip colors on earth in my opinion next week, so do stay tuned for that before you buy any other lip colors, because probably after seeing that video you might just land up buying 10 lip colors. So yeah. Anyways, with this we come to an end of this video. I really hope you guys liked it. Do comment and let me know which was your top 3 favorite products from 2018. I would love to know and try some of them out. And also, if you've tried any of these products, any of my recommendations, do comment and let me know. I would love to know. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, the link is down below, and I will see you soon in my next one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.